Well, I don't want to get dirty.
You're not gonna get dirty. You're just gonna wash your hands.
Help her
get all the flour incorporated. Then after
No,
that,
it's
it's
okay,
a piece of cake.
See, she doesn't want me. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull it together for you, okay?
Okay, no.
Wait, it's not.
Yeah. Trust me, Melina. This will make things go.
Okay. Like that.
There you go.
Okay.
See, even independent 3-year-olds need the help of their mother once in a while. Melina, are you okay with this assistance?
No.
Would you rather be solo?
Hold on, let me just. Here. I'm gonna get this for you. You have to make nice, delicious cookies, right?
All right, Mama, way to go.
Wait, Melina.
Just a second. All right, now Melina, you're gonna start to make. You're gonna make a big ball with that.
Wait, she's gonna squeeze it together.
So what was the ingredients for that?
Let me help you. Get your hands. There you go.
Hey, love, what was the ingredients for that?
Peanut butter and
Yeah,
flour
but
and
what
sugar.
measurements? What?
You
how
want
much?
me to read it?
No, I'm videotaping the cooking show.
Hold on. Well, most of it is on the floor. And
Start to make a ball, Melina. Make one big ball like you do. Pretend it was Play-Doh. Make one big ball out of it. Not little balls, one big ball.
well, she's gonna squeeze it together.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Squeeze it all together in one big ball.
All of it.
This is like poo-poo.
Yeah,
Poo-poo in my hands.
that's funny.
Like you're squishing it like pizza dough.
All of
Pizza
it.
dough, pizza
You
dough.
gotta do it all
Pizza
together.
dough, pizza dough. Pizza dough, pizza dough. A pizza dough, a pizza dough.
Da 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 da.
Pizza dough, pizza dough.
Oh my God.
A pizza
Look
dough,
under the
it's a
table.
Pizza dough.
Da 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 da.
Pizza is good and healthy. And even seeds
this
is
wasn't
good
bad
for
idea.
you.
Everybody likes to eat.
Pizza.
Everybody likes to eat.
Pizza.
We like to put the cheese on the.
Pizza.
We like to put some sauce on the.
Pizza.
A little pepperoni and mushrooms on the.
Pizza.
Everybody likes the.
Pizza.
What's the matter, you? Hey, what are you gonna eat? Hey, tell me what you gonna eat?
Pizza.
Yeah. All right, now it's make a big ball out of it. One big ball. All of it. Looking good.
then-
That's a good consistency now.
Look what you get.
Ooh. But doesn't she have to roll it?
Don't worry.
It looks like little balls.
Yeah. Then you have to flatten it out.
I'm gonna get a little more.
And cut it.
Wait, a little more. I have to
There
do
it
a
is.
little
Oh,
more.
it's not good consistency.
It's loose now. Now put a little flour in it. You know what? When you make one big ball out of it and put some flour and let it sit.
No way.
Well, so
Okay, do you want me to help you now?
No, thank you. I'm doing it all by myself.
Mama has to make it into one big ball for a second, and then you make the little
No,
kids.
I'm doing it all by myself.
Okay, that's good. Now flatten
Oh.
it a little bit on your hands.
Yeah, then forget the cookie cutter.
Okay, there.
That's
Give it
it.
to me now.
Wait,
You're gonna put it on the baking sheet.
I don't want to.
You have to. Don't you want to make cookies?
I just want to do something. Make a little ball and then squish it all.
Here. Here's the baking sheet.
Okay, thank you.
You make little balls and you put them there nice and organized. Very good.
All right.
And then you get to put a little bit of sprinkles on it.
All right. Melina, I want one.
You can't.
What?
After they cook.
When they're cooked, I want one.
Okay, that's good.
But you have to
But.
listen to me, okay?
Yes. You have to only listen to your mommy, not only your non-just your parents. pizza dough, and you have to listen to your mommy.
Oh my god. Melina,
It's okay.
I think we should just not cook that.
You're doing a good job, Melina.
But
I don't think you should squish it. I think you should just put little balls on the wax sheet.
Yeah,
Don't squish them, okay? So otherwise, if you do that, they're gonna burn when you cook them. Just put balls on it. Take the ones you squished off.
There you go. You got butterflies and hearts to put on them when you're finished. But you're gonna make balls. We need a little bit of flour.
Good job, Melina. Oh, a big one. You can rip that in half and make 2 balls out of that. And then put it on the wax sheet. I'll fix your wax sheet.
Here. No, pick it up. Here, Melina. A little bit more flour, okay? Okay, now mix it up. You don't need that. You just use your hands.
I'll do this. Okay, flatten it out. And then grab a little piece, spread it out, and make fire.
Okay, can I do something and then you can...
No.
Yeah, but you're making a mess. And
I'm not making
you won't be able
a
to
mess.
eat these after, no. Can I just help you a little bit and then you can continue?
What do you have to do? Show me.
Okay, this is what you have to do. You put all this together.
Why?
Right, like that.
Like that.
Like that, look. Just like that. Like that. Like that. Daddy, can we have the flour? Watch. Okay? Wait. Like that. Like that.
And Melina, you have to make perfect little balls.
I need this for a second.
No more.
I need it for a second, okay, please? Just a little
I was
bit.
going to show you how to do it perfect.
But you have to. Just wait. Wait
Okay,
a
put
second.
a little bit more. Just a little bit.
Oh! You're the
Laugh
best.
at me.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
you are.
Alright. Watch this.
But I need the pizza dough.
It's coming. It's not pizza dough. It's cookie dough. Alright,
Oh,
look now.
cookie dough?
Look now. Wait. Hold on 1 second. And let me figure out.
Good job,
Cookie
Melina.
dough, bake. Cookie dough, bake. Cookie dough. I love cookie dough.
All right. So I think it's time to start making balls.
Not yet. You have to fire it out and throw it out. And you don't say no. You only say yes because if you say no, nothing's gonna go bad. I'm gonna be mad. Rolled you up, and I switched you up. Squish it hard so you can make the flavor yummy and cummy, like cummy and tummy. We all love cookie dough, cookie dough. Yeah. Look at that.
Can I give you a rolling pin so you can roll it out?
Sure.
Yeah, you have to make it a little thinner to use the cookie cutter.
Mommy.